According to a major crypto analysts, Bitcoin can potentially reach 150K after the 2024 Bitcoin halving. But the question arises, what will happen during the 2024 Bitcoin halving, and how will it highly impact the price of Bitcoin? I will also cover the historical perspective on why every halving impacts the price of Bitcoin. So, if you are an investor in Bitcoin, this will be the most important video for you. Watch this video carefully. So without any further delay, let's get started. To better understand the Bitcoin halving concept, it's essential to first understand how Bitcoin works. At its core, Bitcoin relies on a method called proof of work. This essentially means that a large number of Bitcoin miners are in continuous competition to solve a complex mathematical problem. The first miner who successfully solves this problem has the privilege to add a new block to the Bitcoin blockchain. As a reward for their effort, they receive new Bitcoins, as well as transaction fees from the transactions included in the new block. The Bitcoin halving is an event that cuts the miner's reward in half. This event takes place after every 210,000 blocks have been mined. Since it takes about 10 minutes to mine a single block, reaching 210,000 blocks roughly takes 4 years. Therefore, approximately every 4 years, the amount of reward to miners for adding a block to the blockchain is cut in half. But maybe you have questions in mind. How does this event affect the price, especially in case of 2024? The answer to this question lies in the law of supply and demand. To better answer this question, let's compare Bitcoin with US dollar. For example, whenever the United States of America needs more cash, or when it wants to reach certain economic goals, it can print more dollars. And if the US starts to see that there's too much in circulation, they will print less and less next year. Bitcoin, however, operates quite differently. It's decentralized, meaning it isn't controlled by any central authority like a bank. Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, designed it with a deflationary by reducing supply after every 4 years. This means the supply of Bitcoin gradually decreases over time, in contrast to the US dollar, which is inflationary due to more printing. If you understand this Bitcoin halving concept, please hit the like and subscribe button. It will really help us to motivate more quality videos for you. And most importantly, comment down next which coin's fundamental analysis you want. Moving back to our main topic. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that are given out as a reward is cut in half. So in 2009, the reward for solving a Bitcoin block was 50 Bitcoins. Actually, all the way from 2009 to 2012, the block reward was 50. Then, from 2012 to 2016, the reward for solving the problem was 25 Bitcoins. And then from 2016 to 2020, the reward for solving the Bitcoin problem was 12.5. And now since 2020, all the way to 2024, the reward is 6.25 Bitcoins per block. After 2024, the reward will be half of 6.25, which is 3.125. And if we look at the stats of how much Bitcoin mined in between these periods, there will be a shocking result. From 2009 to 2012, 10 million Bitcoin was mined. From 2012 to 2016, 5.25 million Bitcoin was mined. From 2016 to 2020, 2.5 million Bitcoin was mined. From 2020 to 2024, 1.3 million mined. And from 2024 to 2028, there will be only 650,000 Bitcoins will be mined. From here, we can get idea that the supply of Bitcoin is decreasing by half, and it will highly influence the price of Bitcoin. Now, let's discuss about historical perspective of halving. When we look back at the history of Bitcoin, we see a pattern that's hard to ignore. The graph you're looking shows the price of Bitcoin before and after past halving events. It's clear that after each halving, there's a significant rally in the price. The first halving in 2012 saw a 93x increase in the price. The second in 2016 saw a 30x increase. In 2020, the price of Bitcoin still went up to 7.8x. Now, as we approach the 2024 halving, the question on everyone's mind is, will history repeat itself? This chart is from Pantera Capital suggests that the pattern will continue. They predict that after 12 to 15 months after the halving, the price of Bitcoin could surge up to $150,000. If we look at recent trends, Bitcoin reached a price of around $47,000 on January 11th, 2024. This suggests that Pantera Capital's track record is quite strong in their predictions. If this pattern holds true, the period following the 2024 halving could be an exciting time for Bitcoin investors. That's all from my side, but please comment down, what do you think the price of Bitcoin after halving? I hope you understand the Bitcoin halving of 2024. But if you are an investor of Solana and want to understand how much Solana can reach in 2024, then click on this video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, bye.